In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a Spotify playlist name. By the end, your playlist will show the new name everywhere you use Spotify. On Android or iPhone, start by opening the Spotify app. Give it a second to load. You should land on the Home tab with recommendations and recently played music. If you are asked to log in, sign in as you normally do so you can see your playlists. Now tap your library at the bottom of the screen. This takes you to a list of your playlists, artists, and albums. Make sure the playlist filter is selected at the top so you are actually looking at your playlist collection and not just liked songs or artists. Next, select the playlist you want to rename. Tap its name or cover image. The playlist opens and you will see its current name at the top, along with its cover art and track list below. A quick tip here, you can only rename playlists you own, not ones made by Spotify or other users. With the playlist open, tap the three-dot menu near the top of the screen. On some phones, it may be beside the download icon. When you tap it, a menu slides up from the bottom showing options like Add Songs and Share. This confirms you are editing that specific playlist. From that menu, select Edit Playlist. The screen changes to an edit view. You will see the playlist name, the cover image, and the song list, often with handles to reorder tracks. Any changes you make here apply to this playlist as soon as you save. Now tap the playlist current name at the top. Your keyboard appears and the name field becomes active. The cursor should be inside the title, ready for you to delete, add words, or completely replace the text. Enter the new name you want for this playlist. Keep it short but descriptive so you can spot it quickly later. As you type, you will see the new name appear immediately in the title field, but it is not saved yet, so do not leave this screen. When you are happy with it, tap Save. You are taken back to the normal playlist view. At the top, the playlist now shows the new name, and if you go back to your library, you will see the updated name in the playlist list as well. On Windows, Mac, or the web player, begin by opening Spotify. Once it loads, you should see the main window with the sidebar on the left and the home section in the center. Make sure you are logged into the account that owns the playlist. From there, click your library in the left sidebar. Your list of playlists appears underneath, sometimes grouped or sorted. Scroll if needed until you see the playlist whose name you want to change. The current name here should match what you saw on your phone. Open the playlist you want to rename by clicking its name. The main area now shows the playlist header with its title, cover art, and details like description, number of songs, and total length. You will also see the track list underneath. Next, click the three-dot menu near the top of the playlist, or right-click the playlist name in the sidebar. A context menu opens with several options such as Share and Delete. This menu is where Spotify keeps all the playlist editing tools in the desktop view. In that menu, select Edit Details or Rename depending on what you see. A small window appears over the playlist, showing the current name in a text field and often a description box and cover preview below. This confirms you are editing details for the correct playlist. Enter the new playlist name in that name field. You can type a completely new title or adjust the existing one. As you change it, the text in the field updates right away. Take a moment to double-check spelling here, since this name will sync to all your devices. When you are done, click Save or press Enter on your keyboard. The pop-up closes, and the playlist header now shows the new name. You will also see the updated name instantly in the sidebar under your library. At this point, your new playlist name is saved to your Spotify account and will update across Android, iPhone, and the desktop or web player. You have now successfully changed a Spotify playlist name on both mobile and computer. So if this helped you tidy up your playlists, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple Spotify guides.